Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another video. Hope everybody had a great Christmas, good New Year's. I did. Everything was nice. The weather was good. As you can see, it's snowing today. So I figured I'd get some editing done on some videos. Got to move my bike to the other side of the garage, bring the Mustang in, switch tires, put it back in the driveway. I went to my buddy Casey's house. He got a really nice vinyl decal kit for his FZ10. So went over there, helped him put it on. It's gonna be like a two-part video. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to stay at his house the first night. I had to come back home. So he pretty much finished the bike up. Back for the second day. Bike looked amazing. I put pictures and everything in here. And then, you know, we did a nice little ride to Cycle Gear, let everybody see the bike, get out, you know, stretch the bike's legs. And it was just, overall, it was a really good day. I think the bike looks super sick. I'm not exactly sure where he got the kit from. I could always ask him and then update the video. And yeah, like, subscribe, and comment if you have any questions. But, you know, besides that, thank you guys for watching and hope you enjoy the video.
You can leave it parked there if you want.
You know, just turning it a little bit.
Yeah, that heat cut's gonna come in clutch, dude. I appreciate you bringing it by.
Yes, sir.
So I was gonna have to probably drive out to my dad's or something to go borrow one. And my boy Alex has one down the street, but I couldn't get a hold of him.
Oh, you already started? Hell yeah.
Just little tiny pieces that don't necessarily need heat, because most of them need heat. So I got one little baby one in the front. You put your stuff wherever. You put it on the rack too. So I'm trying to find pieces that I could start on, but I wiped everything down.
Dude, it came out great.
So, yeah, don't look too close to the other side. The only section I really had trouble with was this piece here.
On the other side, yeah.
Yeah, dude, cause like this little part, I was working it, like the whole thing so much, it started to warp a little bit.
Yeah.
So you can see on the other side, it's kind of got a wiggle to it. But generally, I'm very happy.
Yeah, I think it came out really good. Yeah, it looks great, dude.
So,
should have came like this.
Right? I wish it did. It would have looked better. So what I like, dude, is check out the back. Symmetry. Like, the graphics are in the same spot. They come in the same distance. It doesn't have some weird wiggle in it.
Yeah, you actually were able to get it pretty even.
Yeah, like, I know it's not 1000% perfect, but
it's good.
Close enough for me.
Yeah, it looks even tighter on camera.
So next is going to be the black tank protector, which honestly I might buy one when we cycle gear if they have something I like.
Yeah, we can stop and look in there. Yeah, exactly.
We'll see what they have. Because the one I want is like a specific shape.
I think it looks sweet, dude.
Yeah?
Yeah, it looks great.
Thanks, dude. I'm very happy with how it came out.
Yeah, it looks great. Looks super good. Yours comes with a power outlet?
What?
Yours came with a power outlet?
Yeah.
That's nice.
I don't use it really unless I'm on a long trip.
Yeah.
Nice.